Hello, ChemSparks. So here we have some exercises based on one of the topics we've done so far. And the topic is atomicity. I want us to test our knowledge so far based on one of the topics we've done. The first question says, state the atomicity of the following elements. We already know that atomicity is the number of atoms present in one molecule of an element. You remember I said that we use atomicity to describe only the number of atoms present in elements alone and not in compounds. Okay, so for hydrogen, we have that the atomicity of hydrogen is what? What is the number of atoms present in hydrogen? 2. So the atomicity of hydrogen is 2. The atomicity of neon is 1. Remember I said that neon is what? Monoatomic. So the atomicity of neon is 1. The atomicity of sulfur is what? Remember we said that sulfur has 8 atoms present in a molecule of sulfur. So the atomicity of sulfur is what? 8. We have 8 as the atomicity of sulfur. What is the atomicity of ozone? The atomicity of ozone is what? 3. So ozone has 3 atoms of oxygen present in a molecule of ozone. So the atomicity of ozone is 3. Now, the second question is a question that is going to teach us how to easily determine this atomicity of elements. If we are in doubt of what the atomicity of a particular element is, once you know the molecular mass of that element and the atomic mass of the element, you should be able to determine the atomicity. So the second question says, oxygen gas has a molecular mass of 32 grams per mole. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16 grams per mole. What is the atomicity of oxygen? Now, this is what we do. We use a formula to solve this. So to solve this question, atomicity is given by the formula atomicity is equal to molecular mass over atomic mass. And then from the question, our molecular mass was given to us as what? 32 grams per mole, while the atomic mass was given as 16 grams per mole. So we're going to do 32 divided by 16. What is it going to give us? 16 into 1 is 1, and 16 into 32 is what? 2. So the answer is what? 2. Therefore, the atomicity of oxygen is 2. Okay, so from what we did here, the atomicity of oxygen is 2. Remember I said that if you are in doubt of what the atomicity of a particular element is, once you know this formula here, you will be able to do what? Easily tell what the atomicity of a particular element is. So the only thing you have to do is know the molecular mass of that element and know the atomic mass of the element. Once you have these two information, divide the molecular mass by the atomic mass. Any answer you get is the atomicity for that particular element. If you have any more question on this, drop it in the comment section and I will gladly attend to them. See you in the next class.